What I'm going to do is go here. I'm going to go 1 foot at a time and just rock back and forth. Okay? Cool. By doing that at home, allows your body, now your whole body's engaged. Again, with good posture back here, looking straight ahead, because you're not going to really move. At that point, looking forward, your body just rock back and forth. About 10 times on one side. And switch sides here. Again, rock back and forth. Okay, heel to toe. Make sure your toe and heel come up. You want the full motion of your feet, if it's possible. Make every joint move properly, so it helps your overall balance and catch yourself if you're going to fall. Okay, you have to move your joints for things to work properly. Unless you're not breathing, which I don't think a gentleman's hopefully is breathing back there. If he's breathing, and that's what he can still. Yeah, I guess I had a good one. I had a good one today. That's my good one today. Hey, if you're still breathing, your nerves are still working. Your muscles can still get stronger. Your joints can still get looser. It just takes work. It takes feeling uncomfortable, sometimes a little sore, to get through that to make your body healthier.